Hey guys, I'm continuing with another video for the React clone. So last time we got to a point where we had the styles and the event listeners in place. So the only thing that left is getting rid of the children and basically just copy every prop that remains and put it onto the DOM element. Okay, so in order to do so, we need our really convenient old friend object.keys with the props, and filter out everything everything that remains after event listeners, styles, and props. So we can call it is not event listener style children. Oh, that's quite long, but that's what it will do. We will have the prop, and what it will do is first it will check that if it starts with on, then it can check if it's a style. So I'm a little problem with regular expressions because it can be done with regular expression. Shit. How can I write? Okay. Do I need? I just need to put something in it. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, that's good. String search, string replace. Why can I call test on it? Now I can call test on it. Okay, so but what I need here, I think, is either style or children, something like that. So it tests if it's style or children. Probably I could do starts with on with a regular expression. I just don't wanna do it because it's well, I think it would take some time to figure out how to do it, and I'm absolutely really bad at regular expressions. So I just wanna have the logic. So filter as a return, prop starts with starts with d.test.prop, then negate everything. Probably it's gonna do the thing. Let's just console log it out. And just console log these things out. Not that one, but that one. So we have nothing left, but that's expected. Let's put another prop here. Okay, I have that prop. So if I just put another, which is on change, expect it to be null, and another one expected to be null, then I expect the first two to appear. Okay, so it does what I want it to do. We can break it down into multiple functions. So const is event listener. We have an is event listener. So what I can just simply do is event listener prop. Yeah, return the same result. And this is style or children basically. Const is style or children is equal prop, and then we can return d.test.prop, right? So I can call is style or children prop. Yeah, it returns the same thing. I can get rid of this, I can get rid of this, this, and this. Still returns the same thing. Okay, so style or children reg exp, just to make it more to just express what it does. So I have this here. Okay, so now I filtered out everything, right? So now I can for each it. I have the prop name. I can call it prop name. And what I can do here is I can do element at prop name should be just simply equal props dot prop name. I'm just simply assigning the things. Okay, so what I expect here, if I console log the element out, console log element I might be able to get this thing. Yeah, so you can see that to the actual DOM object it has been copied over. So yeah, we're good to go. What we can do is externalize this function. Just simply call it const copy props over, which will have the same signature prop. I think that's the props, and I will have the prop name, and it will do state node prop name. It's gonna be equal props at prop name. So I can get this out here and copy props over with element and props, and now I should be able to see the same. It's undefined, so it's not good. Copy props over state node props prop name state node prop name. Copy props over. Okay, so what's wrong? Props element. Okay. Yeah, I deleted these things here. Sorry, I deleted the props, obviously it's not gonna be there. Okay, now it's there. Okay, so it is working. I just forgot that I already deleted the prop on the JSX. So yeah, we have the things in place, so we can create an element, which is good. Now let's move further a tiny bit, because what we need to do eventually is not just create elements but update elements as well, which is going to be a bit more trickier. So there are things when you, so if three things can happen, right? So you either create a DOM element, you either delete a DOM element, or you update it. And on updation, you don't want to recreate them. You just want to update the props. So that works for creation. Obviously, on deletion, you just simply get rid of the element, which is simply like root, and I think it's remove child. Yeah, you got remove child, so you can remove the element from the DOM tree. But the trickiest part is when you need to update things, because in that case, you have the old props and you have the new props, right? So just imagine that I wanna conditionally render this to red based on some state of prop somewhere else. So there will be a case when this background color on the same div will be either red or blue. So what I want to do is have the ability to simply have the same DOM element and just update the props. And in order to do so, I first need to remove all the previous props and then apply all the new props. So the apply all the new props part is pretty much done. We just did it. So we need to add the functionality to create a new one, and to do so I'm going to make, so we have this create element thing here. What I want to do is I want to create another one called update, and it's gonna be create DOM element. Okay, and to have this working, we will need the state node, the old props, and the new props. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm gonna copy over these thingies. Actually, I'm gonna cut them, and we will deal with the creation part for now. Okay, so the creation comes with the new props. So all I have to do is just simply replace these two new props. document create element will be well, you don't need to create an element because it's gonna be coming from the state node. So that's the element we are working on. It already exists. So we don't have an element here. So what we need to do is we're gonna return a state node here. So up there, let element equals this one. So the creation will happen here. Actually, and this element, we're gonna call the function. It's just not gonna be able to call it because of the ordering. So we wanna call update DOM element state node, which is element. We don't have any old props, and the new props is simply props. So this is gonna cover when you're not updating things. It's just simply applying the props as we did earlier, but we will have the option to have access to the old props. And it's still working. Yeah, the quick listener is working as well. Okay, so what we need to do, if we want to get rid of the old props, it's simply gonna be the same logic, but instead of adding event listeners, adding styles, I'm just gonna remove everything. So we have an add event listener, and we need to create a remove event listener, which is going to remove the event listener. So we're gonna call remove event listener, but not with the new props, but with the old props. Let old style equals old props style, and obviously we're gonna put old style here and not add style name, but remove style name. And it's just simply gonna be an empty string. So okay, and with the copy props over, it's just simply gonna be remove. So style, we don't even need the style, right? We're not using it. Yeah, you can get rid of it. Okay, so is event listener, add event listener, that's the same. And instead of copy props over, it's just remove props. And we can just put it null. We don't need the props. So remove props gonna be coming here. Here is the old props. And that's it, I suppose. So now we're removing the event listeners, we're removing the styles, and we're removing everything that was on the object. And then comes the addition for the new ones. Let's see if it works or not. Good. Okay. So what if I try it out? So I have this div, which is the state node, Okay, so how should I do that? Okay, let's do something like div equals update DOM element div old props. I'm just gonna put the element dot props, and the new props gonna be I want it to be red, so what I'm going to do is destructure element of props, but I want the onClick handler to do something different. I'm just gonna console log and it's working. Nice. So it updated the DOM, and now it changed the event handler. So what if I put style background color blue? Nice. Okay, seems working. Okay, so I'm just gonna wrap it up here and refactor some of the bits in the next video. Thanks for listening. See you.